Hi, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how to make your own Zoom meeting link. Perfect for scheduling classes, team meetings, or catching up with friends. Let's get started. So first things first, you need to be signed in on Zoom from the website, or you can sign in from the app that you can get from Microsoft Store, or you can get from zoom.us/download on the website. Alright, once you're signed in, this window will appear to you. Then you will go directly to schedule from here or from here, the top middle. Okay. Once you click on it, this window appears. So you need to um, type the event name, like teachers meeting. Then you can set up the time and the duration of the meeting from here. Then you can add attendees from here, and to invite them. You can set the meeting ID from here, and you can type the passcode in that box. Alright, so the question, where is the invite link? The invite link will appear to you when you finished when you finished filling the boxes. Then you click on save, and that's it. That's the invite link. You can copy it and paste it to the attendees that you want to attend your meeting. Okay. Also, you can find your invite link on meetings, and that is the meeting that we just scheduled. So you go into these 3 points and click on copy invitations, and that's it. Thank you so much guys for watching, and see you in another video.